I want to show you the events section in the community platform. So I'm going to first of all show you on the right hand side here, you've got a summary of upcoming events. You can also click on the see all button and that will show all the events. You've also got a link to it in the left hand menu just here. You can go into events and this shows you a couple of views. So this is looking at the calendar view. You can also see this as a list of events as well, and you can see there's some filters at the top here where you could filter to the different categories of events. Maybe that was a particular location or a particular topic or whatever. And you can see as you scroll down, you've got next event at the top here, and you've got the nice little layout of the event. You can go into the event itself and just click on it, and as you go into it, that's where you can see the location of it. You can see about this event, and there's a discussion board there as well. If you want to register, it's just a case of clicking the register button, and that's now an event that I'm registered for. Now, back on the events page, I can actually filter the list for all of the events that are on the platform, or just the events that I've registered for as well. And I can click just there, and that shows me the events that I'm registered for. So that is the events section on the community platform. Very, very easy to use, as you would expect. Lots of different variations that you can put in when you are setting up an event, and I'll show you how all of that works in some other videos.